Here's how to redeem an Amazon gift card. First, open the Amazon app and tap the person icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, tap your account to open your account settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Payments section. Under this section, tap Manage Gift Card Balance. This page will show your current gift card balance and give you the option to redeem another gift card. Tap Redeem Another Gift Card. If you have a physical gift card, you can use the option to scan the card. Alternatively, you can manually enter the claim code from the physical card or an email. Once you've entered the claim code, tap Apply to your balance. Amazon will process the code and your available gift card balance should update shortly. After the balance has been added, you can use those funds toward eligible purchases on Amazon. Before making a purchase, you can return to the gift card balance section to confirm that the amount was successfully added. That's all for this video. Thanks.